Hello everyone, today, we will discuss birth of modern programming and how language can change everything. The C revolutionized computer world. It provided balance of power, efficiency, and structure, redefining how programs and systems were built. Before C, what were the challenges? Early programming languages had limitations. Programmers choose one set of strengths, sacrificing others. Fortran. Efficient for scientific tasks, but not suitable for system programming. Basic. Easy to learn, lacked power and structure, and assembly language is highly efficient, but difficult to learn, use, debugging. Unstructured design reliance on Goto led to spaghetti code, hard to read, test, and maintain. There is no single language reconciles these conflicting attributes. Trade-off in language design. Every language involves compromises. C was designed to balance these conflicts. Ease of use versus power, safety versus efficiency, rigidity versus extensibility. C successfully balanced these key attributes, offering the best of all worlds. Why Circa was needed. 1970s, the demand for software was growing faster than programmers could produce it. Academicians worldwide working to create a better, more structured, and efficient language. Hardware was becoming more accessible. Programmers gained freedom to experiment and build their own tools. The stage was set for a quantum leap forward, and C delivered it. The origin of C. 1960 BCPL. Developed by Martin Richards, a simple systems programming language designed. Early 1970s. B language, Ken Thompson created B. Influenced by BCPL, used for early versions of the Unix operating system. 1970s. C language. Dennis Ritchie developed C at Bell Laboratories on a DEC PDP-11 running on the Unix. 1978 Write book combined efficiency, flexibility, and structured programming. 1989 Standardization. ANSI, American National Standards Institute, officially adopted the C standard. It introduced the ANSI C, C89, standard, establishing a common specification to make C portable and reliable across different computer systems. C is a powerful, efficient, and versatile. C combined the efficiency of assembly language with the structure and portability of high-level languages. Structured and modular, easier to read, test, debug, and maintain. Efficient and fast, ideal for system programming. Portable, programs can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms with minimal changes. Extensible, provides low-level hardware access and high-level programming abstractions. Foundation for modern languages, influenced many programming languages, including C++, Java, C#, Python, and others. Impact of C made it practical to build operating systems, compilers, databases, and application software. Unix, one of the most influential operating systems, was written in C. Improved programmer productivity. Developers can build software in less time and widely used in system software, embedded systems, and high-performance applications. Why Circa changed programming forever. The creation of C marked the beginning of the modern era of programming languages. It successfully synthesized conflicting attributes that had troubled earlier languages. First, birth of modern programming began in 1970s, with C widely used in the modern era of programming languages. It successfully balanced power, efficiency, structure, and simplicity, and became a perfect balance language and achieved unique balance by combining high performance with easy-to-learn syntax. Resolving the limitations and trade-offs of earlier programming languages. Main attributes: power, efficiency, structure, simplicity. Designed by programmers, not by academic researchers or committees, which reflected real-world needs of software developers. Designed by and for programmers and continuously improved. Features were tested, refined, and improved through practical use. Developed based on actual programming experience. Programmers' favorite language, easy to use while remaining powerful. Quickly gained a large and enthusiastic developer community. Became one of the most trusted programming languages. Widely accepted language that has rapidly become one of world's most popular programming languages. Extensively used for system software, operating systems, compilers, applications, embedded systems, and established many programming principles followed by modern languages. Laid the foundation for countless technologies used today. Influenced generations of programming languages and software development. A language designed by and for programmers. C was created to solve real programming problems. Main focused on giving programmers both control and productivity, making it one of the most influential languages ever developed. At the end we'll say modern programming evolved Many languages inherited the ideas introduced by C, which is designed by programmers, for programmers, and its influence continues in modern languages like Java, C++, and many others. Thanks for watching.